Leon Bailey had to be held back by Douglas Luiz after exploding at Ollie Watkins during Aston Villa's clash against Liverpool. The Villa stars clashed after Watkins had a goal ruled out for offside. The English striker thought he had got his side back into the tie as they trailed 3-1 to Jurgen Klopp's men at Villa Park.
However, VAR ruled out the goal for offside, which appeared to spark a conflict between Bailey and Watkins. Bailey was spotted gesturing angrily towards Watkins before being intercepted by Luiz.
The Brazilian midfielder grabbed the Jamaican and tried to stop him from continuing his blast towards Watkins. Read more in FOOTBALLHOLLYWOOD. Calling Vardy tip to join Wrexham Revolution as Chief refuses to rule out move Eurovision Player Bracket Challenge game for free ahead of this summer's Euros. Fans reacted to the moment on social media.
One posted, "Things got a bit heated between Bailey and Watkins." A second wrote, "What the F*** is Bailey shouting at Watkins for? The guy has carried your entire team all season, whilst you moan at everyone and do nothing." Most read in football Spurs 0 Man City 2 Haaland's double sees Pep's side close in on fourth straight Prem title. Footy rape footballer, 33, raped woman as she slept before sending explicit pic to pals. Do the math how Arsenal could win Premier League in never-before-seen situation. Cup-setting major broadcaster loses rights to show FA Cup games after huge blow to fans. Casino special. Best casino welcome offers. A third commented, "Bailey raging with Watkins there."
A fourth joked, "Hopefully, Bailey and Watkins will stay focused on murdering each other rather than scoring goals." Watch furious Aston Villa fan headbutt barrier as Olympiacos supporters taunt him before Europa Conference League defeat. Another added, "Don't understand why was Bailey so angry with Watkins for an offside."
There had already been some notable incidents in the top four clash. Arsenal fans claimed Emiliano Martinez was a sleeper agent after his howler gave Liverpool the lead in the 63rd second. While defender Diego Carlos produced what has been labelled as the miss of the century.
Villa did manage to rescue a point from the match as John Duran netted twice in the last 5 minutes to make it 3-3. Who are these famous footballers? I was West Ham captain, but I almost went to jail over bankruptcy. I'm a former Man United star and I once stole a girl from Ronaldo. I'm an ex-Man United star. Now I own a dog-themed BB. I was Thierry Henry's toughest opponent but quit to become a pastor. I'm a former Wolves striker, but I left football behind to become a vicar.